Hi, my name is Obiemi.
And I'm Andrea.
And today we're going to introduce to you our Arduino that uses ultrasonic sensors.
As we can see, we have two wires connecting the Arduino Uno board to the breadboard. These provide the power needed through the positive and negative ports. This is the actual ultrasonic sensor. This right here is the VCC wire, which connects to the positive end of the breadboard. This one is the ground wire, which connects to the negative part of the breadboard, which allows it to have power. The yellow wire connects to the 10 on the Arduino Uno board, while the other green wire connects to the 9 in the Arduino Uno board, which Opiemi will explain.
So the very first line says that the first variable is connected to pin 9 and the second variable is connected to pin 10. Then this float variable right here means that the duration holds the length of the sound wave and the distance shows how far away the object is. Then we have the setup as the trig pin as the output and the echo pin as the input. So this setup variable, this setup function will be run as soon as the Arduino is set on. Then we have the void loop. So the reason why the trig pin is delayed for 2 microseconds is to make sure that the trig pin is low first. Then we have digital write, and then we have to delay it for 10 microseconds at high. And then what this does is that it sends out an 8-cycle sonic burst from a transmitter that pretty much hits the object and then makes it bounce back. Then to put it on the serial monitor, we have the duration is the pulse line with the echo pin in high, and then the distance is this formula right here. And then serial print distance, this prints the word distance on the serial monitor, and the serial print line distance, which is this variable right here, prints the distance value on the serial monitor. This is a video of our Arduino in action. So this is the serial monitor, and as you can see, Andrea is placing her hand in front of the Arduino, and as she pulls it away, the distance becomes higher. So this is measuring the distance in centimeters. And that is our Arduino.
Creating all this, I used to think that wiring a board would be really boring and hard, and I just didn't want to do it at first. But once we started getting the hang of it, turns out it's really interesting and it's a lot of fun. Before this, I thought that the Arduino was going to be really easy to use, but then as I was using it, I realized that you have a lot of extra steps and things that go into it. So it's not just like from A to B, you have to go from A, B, C, D just to get to where you need to go. But overall, it's been a really fun experience.